cab ride around Glas, Fryn, and there are two reasons for making this video. First of all, there won't be any progress on the neglected layout for a few days because I'm going away in the motorhome Gwendolyn. And the second reason is to see how much more work I've got to do on the scenery. And the answer to that one is quite a lot. And if there's any little hesitations in this video like there was just then, it's because that's when things went wrong. But I'm getting there slowly, and it's running better than I expected it to. Here we go, and down the hill, past the yard where all the other trains will be stored, and then I've got such a lot of landscaping and scenery work to do around here. It's going to be fascinating when I do it because I don't even know what I'm going to do myself. Anyway, I shall enjoy doing it, and I hope you'll enjoy watching me do it. And I just think we're coming up to another little funny hesitation here before we go underneath the tunnel, above which stands the derelict castle. There's little halt. Okay, on we go again. Oh, another little halt. Stop. Carry on. Let's see if we can go. And we're going to go through the town of Glas-Fryn-on-Sea. I've got to make the signs for the station on that yet. Glas-Fryn-on-Sea. Past the campsite there on the left hand side, and then through the town industrial area, the church on the right there. Some more back of the buildings I've got to do something with. And we're coming up to the town itself, past the Zen garden. And there you can see the hotel that I made and the industrial buildings, and there's the tower crane. And now we're going to go back round again, but a slightly different route. And we're going to take the middle track here. Oh, another little halt. Something else went wrong. Lots of things went wrong. Anyway, back over it and past the waterfall. Oh, stop and have a look at that. Oh, carry on. And then we're going to go past the area where I've got to build a big station. Another little halt. Another little halt. Carry on. Oh dear. That's it. Come on. This is where I'm going to build a station with possibly a town over the top of the station. I don't know yet. Maybe. That's a maybe. And then past the colliery, the old colliery, big pit. And now we're passing the Indian Pacific train, which runs from Perth over to, well, I went as far as Adelaide, 42 hours on that train. Back through the tunnel again, but this time on the centre track. There we go, and we're approaching now the station of Glas-Fryn-on-Sea. Let's see if we can keep going. There we are. We're nearly there, underneath the bridge that I've got to re-put the roadway because it was all warped, and into the station. Glas-Fryn-on-Sea. Oh, another halt. Never mind. We'll get it all sorted out. That's another dropper I've got to put in for that one. I found out if I changed the points further down the line, I got power back. So it's another drop that I'm going to put in there. And that's it. So if you've got this far, thanks very much for watching, and I hope you come back when I'm back from the New Forest and my trip in Gwendolyn the Motorhome. Thanks for watching, and BFN. Bye for now. Bye.